Ever feel like traditional investing is a giant castle, guarded by a moat of jargon and a drawbridge of minimum account sizes? You're not alone. For many of us, the world of stocks, funds, and building wealth feels out of reach. But what if I told you there was a key hidden somewhere, one that could unlock the gates to this financial kingdom? Well, buckle up, because today we're talking about Wealthsimple, a fintech company aiming to democratize investing. But before we dive into the specifics, let's get one thing straight. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Imagine scrolling through social media and seeing an ad for a sleek new sports car. It's gorgeous, powerful, and everything you've ever dreamed of. But there's a catch. You need a special license and years of racing experience to handle it. Wealthsimple isn't like that flashy sports car. It's more like a well-designed, fuel-efficient hybrid. Perfect for everyday use, easy to learn, and ideal for those who want to get where they're going without the hassle. So, who exactly is this everyday person that Wealthsimple caters to? Let's break it down into three main groups. Group number 1, the newbie investor. Maybe you've just graduated college, landed your first real job, and have some leftover cash sitting in your checking account. Inflation is eating away at its value, and you know there's gotta be a better way to make your money work for you. This is where Wealthsimple shines. Their user-friendly platform makes investing accessible, even with limited funds. You can start small, with just a few bucks here and there, and let your money grow over time. Plus, Wealthsimple offers educational resources to help you navigate the investing world with confidence. Group number 2, the frustrated traditionalist. Fed up with high fees, confusing paperwork, and a broker who talks down to you? You're not alone. Wealthsimple cuts through the red tape with a transparent fee structure and a commission-free investing platform. No more feeling like you're getting nickeled and dimed every time you make a trade. Plus, their app makes managing your investments a breeze. No need to decipher cryptic statements or call a broker every time you want to make a change. Group number 3, the busy bee. Let's face it, life is hectic. Between work, family, and that ever-growing social calendar, who has time to become a stock market wizard? Wealthsimple understands. Their managed investing service takes the reins, building a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You set it and forget it, knowing your money is working hard for you in the background. Of course, Wealthsimple might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Seasoned investors with complex financial needs might require a more personalized approach offered by traditional investment firms. But for the vast majority, Wealthsimple offers a compelling alternative. So, is Wealthsimple the key to unlocking your financial freedom? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. But if you're looking for a user-friendly, affordable way to get started with investing, Wealthsimple is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.